In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up an eBay Promoted Listings Priority campaign. Promoted Listings. Priority is eBay's cost per click advertising option that helps put your items in front of more shoppers in high visibility spots. It's great when you want faster momentum for new items, seasonal products, or competitive categories. I'll walk you through the exact path in the eBay interface, and along the way, I'll share a few tips so you feel confident about what you're clicking and why. Before we begin, make sure you're signed into your eBay account with selling privileges and at least one active listing. I also recommend using a desktop browser so the navigation menus appear clearly. If a menu looks different on your screen, don't worry. Layouts can vary a little, but the labels are the same. Start on ebay.com. At the top of the page, hover over My eBay. Don't click yet. Just rest your mouse on it so the drop-down menu appears. From that menu, click Selling. This takes you into your Seller Hub, where you manage your listings and advertising. Once you're in Seller Hub, move your cursor to the top navigation and hover over Advertising. Again, just hover to reveal the menu. In that menu, click Campaigns. This opens your campaigns dashboard, where you can view past campaigns and create new ones. On the Campaigns page, look for the button that says Create New Campaign and click it. You'll see options for different campaign types. Choose Priority by clicking on Priority. This is the option designed for premium placements and more control through cost per click bidding. Now, you'll add the items you want to promote. Click Add Listings. A selector will open where you can search, sort, or filter your inventory. Pick the listings that benefit most from extra visibility. Think new arrivals, high margin products, or items with strong conversion history. You can always adjust selections later as you learn what performs best. After you've chosen your listings, review the on-screen summary. You may see fields related to budgets, targeting, or suggested bids. Use those as guidance to understand the expected reach and costs. When everything looks right, click Launch. That's it. Your Promoted Listings Priority campaign goes live and begins competing for premium placements. Once launched, you can return to the campaigns area anytime to monitor performance, pause items that aren't converting, or refine your selections. Early on, check in more frequently so you can learn which products respond well and allocate your attention there. You've just set up an eBay Promoted Listings Priority campaign quickly and confidently. Thanks for watching and happy selling.